Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on this development that's going on in Harborview. Now, this land was recently cleared and we were asking if anybody knew what was going on here. So it turns out that this land is owned by the German Ship Repair Jamaica company, GSRJ. They actually own the land right beside it also, and they have facilities on the piece to the left. That's where their offices are located. And they purchased this land and they are going to use it for phase 2 of their project. Now, the German shipyard, they are going to be repairing ships. They're going to do dry docking services, and they actually have the first floating dry dock in Jamaica. It has arrived and it's been set up. And we are out in Harborview, and that's the Kingston Harbor straight ahead that you're looking at. And you're going to see the dry dock. The name on it is Dock 5, but it was recommissioned Jam Dock 1 when it arrived in Jamaica. Now this dry dock, there it is coming into view now, is going to be the first of many dry docks in Jamaica. This dry dock will allow you to lift a ship out of the water, a ship up to 20,000 tons, and do repairs or maintenance to the ship. So this is basically a new industry that's opening up in Jamaica. And as you know, Jamaica is moving towards being a logistics hub. And this facility is going to play a big part in that. So this is the German shipyard now that's coming into view. And that's phase 1 is the shipyard on the left of the wall. Phase 2 will involve bringing in more dry docks, at least 2 to 3 more over the next 2 to 3 years. And then they will build out the facility, more facilities on the right of the wall where you see the marl, where they have cleared and they've put marl on it to flatten it. So on the left is the existing German shipyard. There you go. So in phase 2, they'll be able to offer a lot more services. And as we said, you're going to have more floating dry docks for phase 2. And that should take place within the next 2 to 3 years. Now, phase 1 involves this existing dry dock, which should be operational in a few weeks. Now, this facility it's going to open up a whole new industry in Jamaica. Now, by maritime law, every few years, ships have to be examined. They have to be maintained. They have to do repairs. But by maritime law, they have to be examined. So this dry dock is going to allow ships that use basically the area, Jamaica basically, to be the maintenance and repairs can now be done in Jamaica because of this dry dock. Now, to give you an idea, Jamaica has about 3,000 port calls per year, but 180,000 ships pass close to Jamaica. 180,000 ships. So with this facility, can you imagine if even 10% of the ships that pass through the area stop for repairs or maintenance? That's 18,000. And remember, Jamaica is strategically located to the Panama Canal. So this is definitely a business that has a lot of potential in Jamaica. And these dry docks are not cheap. This is, I think, an $8 billion investment. So this facility can do everything to repair the ship. The only thing they're not going to do over here is build ships. And this is actually, this dry dock business is a joint venture between the Jamaican company, a Turkish company, and a German company. So that's the main road, and then this is where you access the new facility from here. And when this section becomes operational, the other dry docks will be located in front of this parcel of land. Alright guys, so we're just giving you an update on what's going on over here. We had asked the question in a previous video, so we're just giving you an update. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.